Hi everyone, in today's video I will do something more special than usual, something you don't usually see on my channel. As you saw from the title, I will power some LED strips with my micro transformer. And sorry for bad quality, but I'm recording this with an old phone to don't risk to damage my main phone. As you can see, I already wired up the transformer with this 6 amps circuit breaker to don't risk to destroy it totally. This is my micro transformer. It's wired up here, as you can see. That's the from secondary coil, and will power on these LED strips. I have two of them. Normally are four in wired in series to power in light from I don't know, like shops, something like this. But I destroyed two of them. I simply ripped it, and yeah, I have two more. As you can see, here are LEDs, and I will try to power this on with this micro transformer to see what will happen. If this will go as I planned, it will be crazy amazing. Okay, now I just need to try to power on this circuit. Oh, that was quick. Okay, the circuit breaker is turned off. Okay, let me wire the next LED strip. Okay, I just noticed my breaker popped last time. Let's see if we get better luck this time. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nothing. I forgot to plug the transformer. Okay, now. Okay, my circuit breaker this time actually was triggered, but not popped. Let me see the damage we get. As you can see here, all LEDs are blown, and here where the arc creates, this PCB just turned black and actually kind of melts. And that's the first LED strip is completely destroyed. As you can see, all LEDs are popped, and here the arc was created. As you can see, the copper is gone. Okay, that's it all. I hope you like this video. Comment, like, and share, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.